We'll move on to our last two properties. We have power of a product and we have power of a quotient. Again, the product is multiplication, the quotient is division. Now, really what we're going to do is if we have two numbers inside a parenthesis being multiplied or divided, really what we need to do is distribute that exponent to the numbers. Okay, so in this first example here, we're going to distribute that fifth exponent to both the numbers. So we're going to have 3 to the fifth times 2 to the fifth. And then we're going to multiply them out, do the math, and we'll get an answer. Okay, same thing with quotient. Distribute it to top and bottom, and then do the math. Okay, so a couple more examples here. Again, we have two numbers being multiplied together in the middle there. So this is our power of a product property. So what we have is we have negative 1.5, and we're going to distribute that squared times y squared. Okay, now if we do the math, negative 1.5 squared is going to give us 2.25 times y squared. Okay, and our answer, we can leave it just like that. 2.25 times y squared. B, this is actually to the third power. It's kind of hard to see there. Now we're going to distribute it to top and bottom. So we have on top, we have a cubed, or to the third power. And on bottom, we have negative 10 to the third power. Okay, again, do the math. We're not quite done. If we do the math, that a to the third, we can't do anything to that. That's going to stay the same. Over, negative 10 to the third power is going to give us a negative 1,000. Negative 10 times negative 10 times negative 10 is a negative 1,000. Okay, and our answer we can leave just like that. All right, last example here. Ooh, now we have multiplication up top, so we're going to use power of a product property up top. And we also have division in there. Okay, so what we need to do up top is distribute that fourth power to the 3 and to our variable d, and also to the denominator. So this is what we have here. Now, 3 to the fourth power, if we do the math there, we get 81. D to the fourth, we're going to leave the same. And that's all going to be divided by 2 to the fourth power, which ends up being 16. Okay, the 81 and 16, we can't simplify that at all. So we're going to leave it just how it is. And here's our answer. Go to this last slide here. Try these three problems. Okay, and the first one, it's obviously going to be the power of a product property because we have multiplication. Number 12 is our quotient, so distribute it to both. And 13, we have a little bit of both of them mixed in there. Okay, we also have a product out here too, so we have 5 times 2 in that denominator, so be careful on 13. Okay, that one you're going to have to use the power of a power property. Alright, so try those couple problems, bring that knowledge to class tomorrow, and we will continue to work with it. Have a great rest of your night, and thank you for watching.